We are going to wash this t-shirt which has been painted with herbal paste. There's this blue color on this side and there's this yellow color on this side. So we'll show you how to wash it. Okay? So first running tap water, and we are putting this below this and scrubbing with the hand to make sure all the excess color can come out. We must not do this in bucket of soaked water because the color will come out and stain the white color. So the water has to be running and you keep scrubbing like this with your hand. Okay, this color is already coming. See, the blue color is already coming on the white. Can you see this? But immediately if I rinse it, it will go away. हाँ, तुम भी करो इसे scrub. We are now going to put some soap in hot water. This is the second step after doing what we did. रुक जाओ, अभी साबुन डालो. We are mixing some liquid soap. We usually use our natural soap in the washing, and this water is around 50-60 degrees of temperature. कितना दिया? थोड़ा ज़्यादा दे दो साबुन. This is a hard wash which will cure the painted fabric and ensure that the color doesn't change after this process. This painted fabric in this, अब इसको in and out करना मन है. And the idea is to let it be in the hot water to get cured, but also to keep moving it, because when the color is now getting fixed because of this process, if we do not move it, then the color can go and stain other parts. Since we've not painted the whole thing and we want the white portions to remain white, it's important to keep moving the fabric in the water. We will be doing this process for around 15 to 20 minutes and slowly introduce more hot water. In this process, if lot of color comes out in the washing area, then throw the water and take some more fresh hot water to continue the process. Because our base color is white and there is little printed color, we don't have too much of color, so we're going to continue in this bath. Keep rotating the fabric in the hot water. If you feel you can't touch it with your hand, keep a clean stick or tongs in your hand to do it. And again, if too much color comes out, throw that water and get some fresh water. Since it's a t-shirt, so we're going to open the parts so that we can wash. ऐसे करके भी धो, ऐसे करके खोल के. So we're going to throw this water away now, and because some color has come out, ये डाल दो इसमें. Okay, now we are rinsing the t-shirt. So we have taken some hot water and we are going to let the cold water overflow in this tub till all the soap and any other color comes out. This is the final step, the rinsing step, and then we can dry. Remember to dry this painted t-shirt or fabric for at least 2 days properly. Lot of soap has come out. निकाल लो. We're going to throw this water and take some more fresh water till all the soap comes out. हाँ, तो निचोड़ के ले लो इसको. Squeeze very gently and हाँ अब दे दो इसको. Don't squeeze very hard, otherwise there will be cracks in the color. So this is now ready to go on the hanger to dry, and then it's absolutely ready to wear. When we are drying, if there is any chance of the color sticking to each other, then make sure you spread out properly and dry it. Though the possibility of color sticking was more when we had painted it, after washing there are less chances of color bleeding. To go.